Welcome to American Dream Kansas City. I'm your host, Kalina Schumacher. We are here today to honor Vibrancy21 in their charity bowling event with some of our famous athletes, the Kansas City Chiefs. Come on in, let's go inside. Clark, thank you so much for meeting with me tonight.
Absolutely.
And I know that it's about to be a madhouse, but
it will be, yeah. It's quiet now.
I know it is super quiet. However, I appreciate your time in this, and I just want to bring awareness about Vibrancy21. Can you talk to me about your role and what you do?
Yeah, so at Vibrancy21, we basically help NFL athletes across the country host their own charity events when, quite honestly, they know football very well, right? And they don't know the ins and outs of how to put on their own events. So what we do is we help specific athletes, find ties to local charities, and then we also do everything from A to Z, from finding the sponsors, finding these balloons, the step and repeat, the signs, all of it. So it's a very turnkey event for the player to come and just have a fun time for a great cause.
That sounds amazing. So how do you get how do you choose the athletes? How do you get them on the board? You have to go with their agents and everything?
It's a little bit of a mix, okay? We started in Baltimore, as you know, literally 13 years ago, and it literally started with one guy who goes, look, I want to do a charity event, but I just don't know how to do it. And then these guys have friends, or they get traded, or they get to another team, and things kind of like organically started to spread. And then those players or those agents would reach out to us and be like, look, we want to get our guys into the community. How do we do that? So it's really been very organic. In other cases, we do have athletes where they have their own foundation and they want to give back and they have their own board, but then the event side of things is where they kind of struggle on what to do. And that's where we can kind of help out with that too.
Okay, so how many states are you in now?
Oh, putting me on the spot. I'd say anywhere between 5 to 10. Okay. Each year changes because, again, the rosters change. Sometimes they get new draft picks that we already know. They get traded and things like that. But anywhere between 5 to 10 states, I'd say we probably deal with players.
Well, let's talk about Kansas City because that's where we're at.
Yeah.
Talk to me about the players that we will see here tonight.
So tonight, our hosts are Nick Bolton, who's the linebacker for the Kansas City Chiefs, as well as Kareem Hunt, running back for the Chiefs. So people are very excited.
Oh, yeah.
They've been playing very well for the team, rightfully so. I mean, they are the Chiefs, so let's be real. So they're going to be here, and then we'll have a few surprise teammates that will come to join in the fun as well.
I'm excited to see that.
Yeah.
So, and I'm sure everybody else will be too. So the foundation that they're working with tonight, who's that going to be?
So it's actually going to be Make-A-Wish Kansas City. Okay, so it's the local side of the Kansas City for Make-A-Wish. And in fact, we actually are going to have a family here tonight that they're bringing families where their wish was to meet Kansas City Chiefs players. So we're very excited that they get to meet some of their favorite stars tonight and just really have a fun time.
And what a great organization to be able to bless them with this. So talk to me, I know last night you went and shopped with a family. What is that experience like for that family? Yeah, so in certain markets, we do these things called Shop with a Pro. And this is a true give back in a lot of cases where it's an athlete and we basically are at Dick's Sporting Goods and we bring about 20 kids to that facility and pretty much provide lunch or dinner for them, and then they get a shopping spree at that Dick's where they get to buy whatever they want. It's a true give back, and I gotta be honest, it's one of the most fun things that we do because, look, sometimes these kids don't have these types of holiday experiences at home, and then you can just see their eyes light up beyond just being with the player, but honestly getting these gifts. And it's cool when they buy gifts for their family too. It's just an awesome experience, and it's cool because we partner with the athlete as well. So it's just a true on partnership where we're giving back to families and kids in need. I am so happy that I've been blessed to be able to work with you guys. It's been 5 years now. Yeah, pre-COVID, but I'm telling you, it definitely feels more than 5 years. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, so well, thank you from the bottom of my heart to always include me and make sure that I'm a part of this. So I just wanted to emphasize it, honor you guys, because what you guys do across the country is just absolutely amazing. Well, we thank you too. I mean, honestly, we can't do it without sponsors who come to these events and see what we're about. You know, really giving back and entertaining whoever they want, and it's awesome to have you for more than 5 years, and hopefully another 5 years too. Exactly. Right? Well, I'm in it. Yeah. All right. Thank you. What an incredible evening to be able to help Make-A-Wish and Vibrancy21 to bring awareness. I'm your host, Kalina Schumacher, and thank you for joining us tonight on The American Dream.